All right, guys, this is the first time I've ever seen this. I'm showing you guys how to see all of the failures of your competitors in the past by using Google Advanced Search. And let's get into it. And who knows, maybe we'll figure out how to find their products that they haven't launched yet. I'm still working on that. I'm going to figure it out. But so what the trick is, let's just go over here to Google and learn how to use Google Search Advanced if you haven't. But let's just go to Settings and then go to Advanced Search. And so what I've decided to do is let's learn from Towtronics, one of the biggest Amazon brands. They're doing hundreds of millions of dollars. So what we want to do is we want all of the words Amazon and Towtronics. Okay, that's the brand name. And then what does what are all the elements that are uniquely on a unavailable sales page? That's what I'm going for. So every Amazon page is indexed by the search engine and they're never deleted. Okay, you literally can't get rid of an Amazon page no matter what you do. You could clear it, you could do everything you want, but they will never get rid of it. That's their data and they want it, and all that historical, it's in a database, that ASIN, unless they personally remove it or their system does. So what's awesome is we can force it to have currently unavailable. Then now let's just look at this, and I like to do image. I don't think I'm going to do image here, but what we could do here is we'll take a look at this one. Currently unavailable. Oh, look at that. All right, so let's take a look at this. Well, what you could do is, let's see, you could just control F first available. So these launched in April 2016. Now, what I would do is, okay, like what did they have here? I would really want to get into the stats on this product. So I'd probably go to like camel, and look up this product directly. Grab the ASIN right there. All right, so I looked them up on camel. And so the price history and the sales rank, it appears that sometime around right here, I don't know, they went dotted line. So looking at this, it looks like they were only from April to September, and they had these. They weren't 3.8 out of 5 stars. So we go to sales rank, and we could see that they were going hard, but they did end it there, and it looks like they had a couple that snuck in there. But this just goes to prove even the big guys are failing, $100 million companies. So let's see why. What could we possibly learn? So if we look at, let's sort by the most recent review. I loved these, and they were snug, and they came with different earbuds. I'll read these quick and tell you. Okay, so when we're looking at them, I went ahead and I used the Helium 10 add-on here, and I actually downloaded all of the reviews, and so it was nice and easy like that, extracted them, and then I put them all into a spreadsheet. And the spreadsheet's right here. And then I sorted them by the rating, and then just taking a look at some of the negative ones, it sounds like they didn't fit the best. They didn't have the best range. They had to do a lot of returns, and there were some issues with it connecting with Apple. So they dropped it and moved on to the next one. So this just shows that even when you are a really killer big company, you could still fail if you don't have a good product. So the market decides at the end of the day what is successful. So we take a look at another one here. So they've got what else do they have? This one had 1,000 reviews, but they got to that under 4 stars, and so I could go to this one again. Let's look it up. So 1,000 reviews is quite a bit to just stop a product. And then I guess what we could do now is let's see if we could do a little hack here. I'm gonna try it and let you guys know what happens. Okay, so update on the hack. I haven't figured it out exactly yet, but I'm figuring out how you can find out when they launch a new product before it's hit the market. Because when you make an ASIN and you make a listing on Amazon, it is now created and it's indexed by the Amazon. The page is created and it's going to get indexed by Google. So I haven't figured out exactly yet how to do this. This video is to come in the future, but we're going to end it here. So you can use that to look at other brands' discontinued products and learn a lot from them. And yeah, just I guess it goes for see what didn't work, and then motivation that, hey, even the big guys fail. And it's just the main common thing between the successful sellers is they have lots of products, and they're learning lessons faster and faster. So I hope this was helpful. On to the next video.